Hello, everybody. Welcome to my Calculus 1 Project A. This might be the last project till Thanksgiving break. I don't know yet, but we shall figure that out once we get there. So we're gonna go over the definition from the rubric for Project A. We're going to do the problem solution provided, and I'm gonna show you the references. Well, just one. Let's go first to definition. So what is U substitution? U substitution, or the substitution method, is a technique in calculus for simplifying an integration process. It involves substituting a part of the integrate with a new variable, U, typically chosen to simplify the expression and make integration easier. From Stewart 2015. One thing that's very familiar to this is the famous Konami code in video games to me. Up, up, down, down, left, right, B, A, start. And there's extra lives. In this case, it's basically a cheat code to the answer. Up, down, down, left, right, B, A, start, and to the right answer. Now, we're going to go over the problem that we did today and just present the thinking process, basically. All right. First step of this problem is substitute. So let's use equal sin of x, then du will equal cosine of x to the derivative. Or dx, my bad. When x equals 0, u equals sine of x. Sine of 0, which equals to 0. So when x equals pi over 2, u equals sine 2 pi equal 1. Thus, the limits change to u equals 0 and u equals 1. So, the integral is now becomes the integral of pi over 2 over 0 cosine x sine parentheses sine x parentheses dx equals to now the derivative 1 and 0 sine parentheses u and con x dx, or in this case it's du. As an expression, cos 6 sine of x with dx becomes du. The function sine x becomes sine u. The limits of integration changes from x is 0 to x equals pi over 2 in terms of x to u equals 0 to u equal 1 in terms of u, thus getting this right here, if you can see my mouse. Step 3, integrate sine u. After rewriting the integral as such, we need to find the derivative and the antiderivative of sine u. Antiderivative sine u is negative cosine u. Thus, the derivative sine u du equals negative cosine u. So our integral becomes cosine 1, 0, sine u du equals to minus cos u, evaluated from 0 to 1. Step 4. Evaluate the integral at the limits. To evaluate negative cos u from 0, u equals 0 to u equal 1, we substitute the upper and lower limits in the antiderivative. Negative cosine 1 minus parentheses negative cosine 0. Now calculate for each part. Negative cosine 1 is just negative cosine 1. Negative cosine 0 becomes negative 1, since cosine 0 equals 1. Now putting it together, you'll get negative cosine 1 plus 1 to equal 1 minus cosine 1. Now the last step, evaluate the integral. After evaluating it, you'll get the answer. 1 minus cosine 1 is approximately to 0.460. Now here's my references. I used Stuart J. for 2015, Calculus Early Transitional 8th edition. Thank you for coming to my presentation. I shall put the link to the video after I'm done recording. Thank you.